Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Build a B-1 Bomber. I made it back from the resin store. They gave me a jug of that stuff. It's called honey wax and mold release compound. They said that is good stuff, and then they gave me that and told me to try it. So I said we'll give it its day in court and see how it works with that McGuire stuff. I bet you this stuff pops off a lot better. But I got me another bucket of resin. The same old 2108. And it takes a couple gallons of hardener with it. So actually that's 5, 6, 7 gallons. If you think about it, that's full. That's a full bucket. So that's 5 gallons. That's actually 7 gallons of stuff. Man, I've been through a bunch of that stuff too. I wonder how many gallons of stuff I'm going to put. You guys might have to go back and research that. That might be one of them questions later on. But I'm going to give this wax a shot here. Now, we're going to show you the old sock trick, alright? Hold on here while I open this stuff. You think in the top off of that, and you gotta take a pair of scissors and cut some of this sock off. Okay. Now I got my sock cut down, and I guess it'd probably be good not to use socks with a bunch of holes in it. But so you gotta have a decent, kind of a decent old sock. Okay. Then we're just gonna scoop up some of this wax and put it inside the sock. There's something stuck to my. Just put some inside there like so. Alright. Now, let's get some wax on it. Wait. Remember, I've put that McGuire's on there, a couple coats, the whole thing, and then I put, I waxed it a couple times, but that was with that other wax. So let's just see. Plus, I've been handling this, I've had tape on it. You gotta kind of work into that sock. Eventually, it works real better after you have waxed for a little bit. That wax really gets impregnated into your sock. But this is so, see there it goes. You don't have to keep digging into your wax jug and getting clumps of wax everywhere. See, this is what you want. You want to work that until you get the wax out of it. You don't just want to push clumps of wax around. You got to work that until you're finished. You see, and that's why when it's getting shiny like that, I'm getting the wax out of that hard wax. And you see, and it just, by putting it in that sock, you can just keep going and you don't have to keep dipping into your jug and got big clumps. That's what I hate. You always got them big old clumps of wax you're pushing around, and you actually get it on there too thick, and when you get it on there too thick, it's that's not what it's designed for, and it don't work very good like that. If you cut off part of that sock, it's a little easier when you don't have that big old sock. And I want to get everything, every nook and cranny. We don't want that epoxy sticking anywhere. make a couple more movies today and tonight. Putting my parting planes on. Then in the morning we'll get this thing laid up. In a couple more days, my wing molds will be finished. Fuselage is almost finished. On the cell, all these parts I've been collecting, because over this past year, it's all fixing to go together. Man, I want to see this thing sitting there with the wings on it. Bad thing is, I'm going to have to work on one side of the plane at a time. I won't be able to fit it in here with both the wings on it. Man, that thing is so smooth. Wow. It's amazing. That resin will just pop right off there. You see that I still got plenty of wax in here. The wax goes a long ways. Well, I bet you this wax with that McGuire's, bam, this stuff will pop right off. When you get all around your mold, get everything. Even, see, after I get my parting planes on here, they're going to be up here. If I happen to spill some resin on this, or I get a ooze through my parting plane, it won't stick. You know, so you want anything exposed. You do not want resin stuck to. You've got to just wax it, and wax her good. That is why I waxed it before I put the parting planes on. And if anything seeps down here, pop right off. No big deal. And if I just get a drop on there, I won't even try and wipe it up. I'll just let it set. Let it get hard and pop it right off. No big deal. You see how I'm working that wax to a lather? That's what we want. We want what's inside that wax.